If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat not saving pictures, you've come to the right place. So let's say that we want to save our snaps, stories, and so on. How can we do it? Basically, we need to change some settings parameters, and firstly, we need to open our settings. So on the Android, it may look a little bit different, but on the iPhone, we just simply need to open settings and then scroll down to find the Snapchat. So it should be somewhere here. Open the Snapchat page and then click on photos. And now we need to click on all photos to give like the Snapchat access to our gallery, and it will be able to save our pictures. Then we need to open our avatar, our profile in the left top corner on Snapchat. And the next step, we need to click on settings in the right top corner and here find memories. So the first area here, my account, and then after two-factor notifications, we have like memories here. And we need to click on save destinations and save button here. And instead of memories, we can choose camera roll and memories or just only camera roll. So when you tap to save button while adding a snap will be saved to camera roll. And as you can see, now we have some other options. Auto save my story snaps. We can turn on auto save to memories. And the other way, we can save to my eyes only by default. Anything saved to memories will be go to my eyes only, for example. And basically these are the ways of how can we fix that we do not save any pictures. But you can also just simply screenshot your account if you want to save something, for example, like this, as on the iPhone. So now we can save our screenshot and it will be automatically saved. So this is a way of how can we fix Snapchat not saving pictures. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.